Good morning everyone. Welcome back again in computer class. So this is the part 2 of chapter number 3, that is tools of word processor. Now the topic is components of word window. These all are the components of word window. This one. Now this is the window of MS Word. So now the components of Word windows. Number 1 is File tab. Actually File tab mentioned in MS Word 2010, but here the 2007. So here instead of File tab, here the Office button, this one. The name of this button is Office button. So next is Quick Access toolbar. These are the Quick Access toolbar. You can see. These are the Quick Access toolbar. The next is Title bar. This is the title bar. Next is Ribbon tabs. These all are the ribbon tabs. This one. Page layout, animation, mailings, review, view. These all are the ribbon tabs. Next is Program Control button. These three are the Program Control button. That is a cross, then minimize and maximize. Next is ribbon. This one. This one is ribbon. The next term is insertion point. Now this flashing line, we call it as an insertion point. Next is scroll bar. Now this is the scroll bar, this one. Next is work area. This white sheet, we call it as a work area. Then views of document. These are the views of documents, this one. Next is zoom control. This is the zoom control. The next is status bar, and this is the status bar, that is a page 1 of 1. So these all are the components of Word window. So number 1 is File tab, but here the 2007. So here's the Office button, but almost the functions will same. So number 1, this one, that is Office button. If we click on Office button, then we will see a file menu, also known as a backstage view. So in this file menu, we can see some options like a new, open, save, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, close, this one exit. So these all are the options are available in File tab. Now next is ribbon. So this is a ribbon, this one, this full. So ribbon contains a command organized in 3 components. The first is tab. These are the tabs like a mailing, review, view, references, page layout, insert, home. These are the tabs. And the second is groups. So these are the groups like a clipboard, font, paragraph, style and editing. These are the groups. And the last is commands. These all are the commands. So I again repeat, tabs represent common action we take in Word. Common action means like insert, page layout, references, mailings, review and view. These are the actions. Now next is groups. Groups organize related commands with each group. Like clipboard, that is a related commands. Font, all commands related to font including in this group. Paragraph, all commands related to paragraph included in this group. And the last is commands. Commands appears within each group. Like this is the font, and these all options are available here. We call it as a commands. That means appear within each group, that is commands. So ribbon contains commands organized in 3 components, that is tab, groups and commands. Now the next topic is creating a new document. Now the steps are, in 2010 here the File tab, so you have to click on File tab, but this is a 2007, so here the Office button. Click on Office button, click on New. After that, click on blank document and click on create. So now this is a new document. You can see on the title bar document 2 Microsoft Word. Now next topic is entering text. So with the help of keyboard we can enter text into a document. So here I already entered the text with the help of keyboard. So the rest part of this chapter we will continue in next video. Thank you.